Welcome back to Vettepros here in Charlotte, North Carolina. What we have here today is a 1998 C5 Corvette LS1 engine for sale. We'll go ahead and start it up. This engine starts right up. This is the 345 horsepower LS1 engine. This engine is mated up to an automatic transmission. This engine's in top shape with no knocking or ticks, no leaks. It's got good oil pressure. This engine has 103,000 miles on it. We'll go ahead and rev it up here. This engine will make an excellent replacement for your Corvette or a great starting point for your hot rod or retro rod. You can reach us at 704-320-0073, and thanks for looking.